Hey everyone, today, we're taking a closer look at the C2, the newest model in the DYU portfolio. This sleek futuristic-looking folding e-bike is already creating a lot of buzz. Let's see if the excitement is warranted. With its sleek appearance, 48 volts battery, and 250 watts electric motor, the DYU C2 allows you to pedal up to 25 kilometers per hour. The bike has a range of more than 40 kilometers on a single charge, according to DYU. Even though I rode on flat Dutch bike routes in typical weather, and took into consideration my height and weight, my test results of 32 to 35 kilometers are still excellent. Even car-oriented city bumps are easily navigated by the 16-inch tires. For a low-cost e-bike, the rear shock absorber performs remarkably well, enabling handling of uneven terrain. Because of the bike's IP54 rating, puddles are not an issue. The bike has no gears, thus it can feel small to taller riders while pedaling without engine aid. Thankfully, the controls are straightforward. A button to turn on the bike, switch between modes, apply the rear brake, and sound the bell is located on the left side. The thumb throttle for additional power and the front brake are located on the right side. Fortunately, while it keeps the bike legal in Holland and many other European nations, this isn't for completely electric mode. While the front light is bright, it is attached to the frame and does not turn with the handlebars. The rear light blinks when you brake. The bike features foldable pedals for simple storage and reflectors for increased safety. When paired with the suspension, which can hold up to 120 kilograms of weight, the seat is incredibly comfortable. After some adjustments, the mechanical disc brakes on the C2 operate effectively. In my tests, it took only 3.5 meters to reach a complete stop from its highest speed of 25 kilometers per hour. It is simple to charge the 48-volt 7.5 ampere-hours battery. You can either remove the battery and charge it somewhere else, or you can plug the charger directly into the bike. I needed over 5 hours to charge completely. One of the C2's main features is convenience. Because it folds up effortlessly, it's ideal for little offices or flats. It is light for an e-bike and has a sturdy aluminum frame. It weighs roughly 23.5 kilograms. Thanks to a sturdy latch that keeps it secured in place, folding and unfolding it is easy, and it can fit under a desk or in the trunk of a car. For the price, which is linked in the video description, you get a simple electric bike that is ideal for city commuting, and the handlebar folds up simply as well. The fact that it is essentially pre-assembled is its best feature. All that remained for us to do was take out the box and the protective materials, unfold the frame and lock it. Compared to their prior e-bikes, the new locking system is far superior. Fold and lock the steering wheel. All it takes is a quick fold and lock to get going. Install the pedals. All the tools needed for this step are included with DYU. The setup is finished when the C-post is inserted. I needed a total of 5 minutes to get the bike going for its initial ride. Certain things need to be considered, like the ordinary, unbranded components and the very short range. Still, for city people searching for cost and convenience, the DYU C2 is a solid option. If you need a bike that stores easily and takes you about the city quickly, it's something to think about. Check out the video linked here for an option that includes a more conventional Dutch bike appearance, if you require a bike with a range of more than 100 kilometers. In conclusion, the DYU C2 is a compelling choice in the low-cost e-bike market because it combines a contemporary aesthetic with functionality and performance. The C2 has plenty to offer, whether you're on a leisurely ride or commuting in the city. I hope the video was enjoyable. You might think about subscribing to view more content like this now that we've reached the finish. Until the next one, have a nice day and God bless you.